Handsets this inexpensive often feel like toys, but that's not the case with the Honor 7A. It's weighty enough to feel solid, and, particularly in the blue colorway of our review unit, actually looks quite smart. The metallic navy blue with silver antenna lines isn't as eye-catching as the laser-like finish of the flagship Honor 10, of course, and unlike that phone it's plastic, but it nonetheless looks plenty good enough to show off without a case. As with many Honor handsets, the fingerprint sensor is circular and found on the back. The camera and flash are enclosed within a slightly raised horizontal oval up top. There's some subtle blue branding at the bottom, and a more noticeable logo on the lower bezel of the front face, rendered in silver on black. Those bezels are thicker than some will appreciate, but in fairness the tall, sizable display makes them appear to fade somewhat when the screen is powered on. The rounded edges of the handset have been given a mirror shine, which looks a little cheap to our eyes but will probably please the young market Honor likes to court. The left edge houses the SIM tray, which unusually has space for 2 SIMs and a microSD card. Often the second SIM slot doubles as microSD, so you have to choose. The top left edge contains the 3.5mm headphone jack, annoyingly slightly off-center, and there's the usual volume rocker bar and power key on the right edge. There's no etching on the latter to help you find it by feel, but we didn't have much trouble locating it or mixing it up with the volume keys in day-to-day use. Between the 2 sets of drilled holes on the bottom end, only one of which is a speaker, is the charging port, which is the old-style micro USB. Yes, this is a cheap handset, but we feel like the time has surely come to switch even the lower-end phones to the superior USB-C standard. Still, it's entirely forgivable, especially when many competing budget phones have the same port.